This is the AI News Flash for May 12th, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, Bloomberg published a detailed report on the hidden component supply chain powering AI data centers beyond Nvidia GPUs. While Nvidia GPUs get all the attention, AI data centers actually require countless smaller but essential components, including high-speed optical transceivers, HBM memory, power management semiconductors, liquid cooling parts, and silicon photonics chips. These components are concentrated among a few suppliers: Lumentum, Coherent, Marvell, Astera Labs, SK Hynix, Samsung, Corning, and Vertiv, making supply bottlenecks the biggest constraint on the AI boom. The $725 billion 2026 capex from the four hyperscalers benefits not just Nvidia, but a broad ecosystem across the entire AI infrastructure stack, marking a structural shift in beneficiaries. The second up, Wells Fargo issued a bullish report predicting Nvidia stock will rise more than 40% from current levels. The main thesis is that AI demand continues to exceed expectations, with full shipments of Blackwell generation chips and the early ramp of the Vera Rubin generation strongly supporting earnings growth through 2026 and 2027. The report highlights three tailwinds: hyperscaler AI capex, far exceeding initial forecasts; explosive growth in inference workloads; sovereign AI infrastructure deals; and full enterprise AI adoption. This major bullish reconfirmation by a top financial institution comes amid growing skepticism about the sustainability of the AI rally, providing an important signal to market sentiment. Third up, the first comprehensive state-level AI regulation in the United States. The Colorado AI Act passed a substantially watered-down rewrite through both legislative chambers. According to the Colorado Sun, Senate Bill 189 passed with overwhelming bipartisan support, 34-1 in the Senate and 57-6 in the House, pushing the effective date back from June 2026 to January 2027. The requirement for companies to disclose how AI systems make decisions on hiring, lending, and housing was completely eliminated, leaving only consumer notification and the right to appeal in a major rollback. Senate Majority Leader Robert Rodriguez admitted it was less than he wanted, and strong pushback from tech and business groups effectively gutted the original 2024 law, setting a major precedent for state-level AI regulation in the U.S. Fourth up, Forbes reported a sharp rise in fabricated citations generated by AI appearing in recently published academic research papers. As researchers accelerate paper writing with generative AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, the hallucination problem of AI generating non-existent papers, fake author names, and incorrect volume and page numbers as citations has become a serious issue. This is especially severe in medical, legal, and psychology fields, where papers with fake citations are passing peer review and getting published. Subsequent researchers then recite them, fundamentally undermining the trustworthiness of academic publishing. International Society of Managing and Technical Editors and major academic publishers are rapidly moving to mandate AI-generated content disclosure and deploy citation verification tools, making AI-era academic governance an urgent priority. And fifth up, CIO Magazine published a warning analysis that AI coding tools are dramatically changing code output speed, but engineer judgment development is falling behind. With rapid adoption of Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and GitHub Copilot, over 60% of senior engineers' production code is now AI-generated, with code generation speed accelerating more than 10 times. Meanwhile, junior engineers' foundational skill acquisition, code review judgment, and architecture design capabilities are lagging, raising the risk of mass-producing a generation unable to critically evaluate AI-generated code. Behind the explosive growth of the AI coding market, with Cursor's $2 billion ARR and Claude Code's 80% revenue growth, the long-term capability building of engineering organizations has become a critical industry-wide concern. That's all for this AI News Flash.